For a local business in 2026, there is no piece of real estate more valuable, more powerful, or more profitable than this right here. The Google Map Pack. That top 3 listing that appears when a customer searches for a service in your area. Getting into this exclusive club means a constant, predictable stream of new customers, day in and day out. But how do you do it? How do you beat your competitors and claim that coveted #1 spot? It's not luck, it's a science. And today, I'm going to give you the formula. You're great at what you do. Your customers love you. But the phone isn't ringing. You feel like the best-kept secret in town. Meanwhile, you see your competitors, who you know aren't as good as you, constantly busy. Their vans are everywhere. What's their secret? It's simple. When a potential customer searches on Google, your competitors show up in the map pack, and you don't. They are capturing all the ready-to-buy customers in your area, leaving you with the scraps. This isn't just frustrating, it's an existential threat to your business. You might have even claimed your Google business profile years ago. You filled out the basic information and then forgot about it. You thought that was all you had to do. But that's like buying a gym membership and expecting to get fit without ever going. Your Google business profile is a living, breathing entity. It needs to be constantly updated, optimized, and nurtured. You look at all the fields: services, products, Q&A, posts, photos, reviews, and you feel completely overwhelmed. You're a business owner, not a full-time digital marketer. To rank in the map pack, you need to understand how Google thinks. It all comes down to 3 core pillars. First, proximity. This is simply how close your business is to the person searching. You can't change your location, but you can ensure your address is perfectly accurate and consistent everywhere online. Second, relevance. This is how well your profile matches what the customer is searching for. You need to obsessively fill out every single section of your profile, your primary category, your secondary categories, every single service you offer with detailed descriptions. You need to use the keywords your customers are searching for in your posts, your review responses, and even your Q&A. Third, and most importantly, prominence. This is Google's measure of how well-known and trusted your business is. The #1 factor here is reviews. You need a constant stream of new positive reviews. But it also includes things like local citations, mentions of your business name, address, and phone number on other websites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and local directories. This builds your authority and tells Google you're a legitimate, important player in your local market. Getting to the #1 spot on Google Maps isn't about finding some secret hack or tricking the algorithm. It's about systematically and consistently demonstrating to Google that you are the best, most relevant, and most trusted choice for customers in your area. It takes work and it takes time, but it is the single highest return investment you can make in your business's future. You can go from being the best-kept secret to the talk of the town. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start dominating the Google Map Pack, contact us at Kingdom Digital Solutions. We live and breathe this stuff. We'll build you a system that brings in customers like clockwork. Visit kingdomdigitalsolutions.com to get started.